Jai Hind to all the future officers. Today we will be studying about the 7 commands of Indian Army with their location, in which state they are located. In a previous video we studied about the structure of Indian Army, and we studied about that before the army headquarters comes the commands, which are headed by a 3-star officer, which is the rank of lieutenant general. So today we will be studying about a 7 commands of Indian Army. So from top, if we will be see, there would be the first command, which is the Northern Command, which lies in the Udhampur region. Udhampur lies in Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory of our India. Okay, so now second, just moving downwards, we will see the state of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh just below Jammu and Kashmir, and in the southern side of Himachal, you will see Shimla. Shimla is the Army Training Command. I just mentioned in the previous video there are 6 operational command and 1 training command. So our training, one and only training command is located in Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. Just below Himachal Pradesh lies the Punjab state. In Punjab there is Chandi Mandir, and in Chandi Mandir lies the Western Command. Now just coming below Punjab, it is Haryana. Then below it comes the Rajasthan. And in the center of the Rajasthan is the Jaipur, which is the capital of Rajasthan, comes the Southwestern Command. Now, just right hand side of Rajasthan, the bordering state is Uttar Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh's capital is Lucknow, and in the Lucknow lies the Central Command. Now, moving more rightwards would come the state of West Bengal. In West Bengal, the southern side of West Bengal, the Kolkata is there. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata, and in Kolkata is the Eastern Command. And now, just coming below is the state of Maharashtra, and in Maharashtra, Pune is there, and in Pune, the Southern Command of our Indian Army is located. Now, gentlemen, before ending the video, I want to clear one of your doubt. You will just think that Jaipur is in the northwest part of India, then why it is southwestern command? It would be a simple curiosity which would rise in your mind. So I just want to clear it, that consider this whole region to be the peninsular India. The peninsular India is the northern states. All the north part of India is the peninsular India, which means the land region, and the southern states or southward region of India is generally the coastal region, comprising of the borders with the ocean. So thinking of a peninsular India as one part, or considering is it as one map, the southern part of peninsular India is Pune, and that's why it is the southern command. Now, in comparison to this, if we will be see, Jaipur would be lie in southwestern side. Therefore, Jaipur is located in the southwestern command. So consider all this is in respect of peninsular India, and downstairs there is the South India, which comprises of naval commands. So this is the major difference. Just revising one more time, all the 7 commands are topmost. The northern command is located in Udhampur in Jammu and Kashmir. Just below it, the Himachal Pradesh, Shimla Army Training Command is located. Just below it, Punjab in Chandi Mandir. Western Command of Indian Army is located. Just below it, Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, Jaipur, Southwestern Command of Indian Army is there. Just right hand side of it, in Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Central Command of Indian Army is there. And just right hand side of it, in West Bengal, in Kolkata, Eastern Command of Indian Army is there. And below it, in the state of Maharashtra, in Pune, Southern Command of Indian Army is located. So this was all about our today's video. We studied about the 7 commands. In the next video, we will be studying about the 14 corps of Indian Army and their location. So that's all about our today's video. Thank you for watching this video, and do share your feedback in the comment section, and do share this video. Thank you.